I was surprised when I first heard about the class team project from the CGS leader. When I first heard about it, I was pretty confident that our class was more unique than other classes, and I was very excited. And I know that we had the potential to have the best project in our year.
Our team has decided to recycle household wastes like candle nut shell and sugarcane to make a bio-perfume product. After many debates, trials, and errors, we managed to make a satisfying product. But before we succeeded, we had to overcome many problems. The process involved in making a bio-perfume is quite long, especially with the complex steps that require actual laboratorium to produce the bioethanol used in our perfume from household wastes. We first started on September 11th with high hopes and full of motivation. At the time, we discussed what product we were going to make. It would either be a room diffuser or some type of perfume, which in the end, we all agreed to make a bio-perfume.
This is one of the main events that we'll be having in the 11th grade. This project that we're making is definitely not a piece of cake because it requires a lot of information, knowledge, and the ability to do exactly what we have to do. And if we're lacking in them, it could really turn our project around the worst result. That's why we have everyone doing each of the tasks to make everything work. A huge amount of teamwork is the main point that we need to focus on. And my opinion on this project, it's a more complicated project than the one we have in the 10th grade because the project we made needs a value of selling. That's why we need to use the mind of an entrepreneur and figure out what type of product that will interest the customers around our age. That is our target for marketing. And once we decide the type of product we would make, it doesn't get easier from there because the process that we need to go through is really tiresome and requires a lot of time, which is the thing that we don't have.
We decided to make our perfume to have a candle nut scent, so we used candle nut shells to go with the recycling bean. We first crushed the candle nut shells and then mixed it with alcohol. Then we let it sit for 12 until 24 hours. And finally, we just have to mix the scent, and bioethanol was a ratio of 3 parts candle nut scent and 7 parts of bioethanol, so a 3:7 ratio to hopefully get a satisfying product. However, from all of that whole process, the part that most people will put their focus on will probably be the result of the product. How perfect it is, how great it is, how beneficial it is, how amazing they look, and everything else.
I feel relieved that the project has successfully come to an end.
From all of those exhausting moments that we've been through, we've pulled ourselves together until we're finally able to make it work.
So now